Ball number 23. First personal foul. Foul basket. Ball number 42. First personal foul, number 42. First foul. Offensive rebound, number 27. Offensive foul, number 27. Offensive foul. Lock, number 27. Offensive rebound, number 31. Out of bounds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Out of bounds. Substitution.
1 minute pa, 1 minute.
Offensive foul, number 38.
Kanino? I-31. Vegan Spain. Ano?
Out of bounds. Same ball, shot clock 12 seconds. Ten seconds shot clock. Lock number 6. Ten seconds shot clock. Rebound number 6. Ball number 7. Substitution. Substitution. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Second foul number 7. Warning for penalty. Yellow.
Swing, swing, swing! Take that, take! Swing bola! Nice! Bang, bang, bang! Go! Go! Kumana, go! Go! Kumana! Go! Kumana!
Uy, pucha.
Go! Kumana, go!
Foul basket. Foul number 9.
Grado Second foul.
Second personal foul, number 9. Warning for penalty.
Pops, thrower ah.
Saan kaya? Dito.
Nice, nice. Good. Wait. Set. Ikot. Si Pat, libre. Libre si Pat, oh.
10 second shot clock.
Moving. Piso.
5 second shot clock.
Nice.
Lock.
Baba! Baba na, Bobby!
Lock.
Lock.
5.
Number 5.
Dami ng block ah.
Wala, kita! Pass! Nice!
Same ball, shot clock 11.
Please.
Foul basket. Foul number 48.
First foul.
First foul, number 48.
Hindi, gumanon lang ako eh.
Ino na. 56, 55. Target dito.
Wala, hindi nga ako tumama eh.
10 second shot clock.
Hindi.
Air ball possession out of blue. Shot clock 2 seconds. Shot clock 2.
2 seconds, Pat.
Shot clock
Pat,
2.
Pat, labas, Pat. Tumira ka, Pat. Pat. Ate, safety na, Bobby.
Uy, tik.
Sapa! Wait lang. Si Martin, oh.
3. Number 30.
Shit.
Pagtawid. Agad na ba?
Nag-jumble ulit dito, dalalim dala, oh, nag-jumble. Dalawang jumble eh.
Uy, tao nyo! Bola! Go, bola! Lapit!
Tao na.
Wait, Pat. Yan! Time, Mark. Pasa, Mark.
Swing, paggalawin sila, pag-ulit!
10 second shot clock.
Pat, pasa!
5 second shot clock.
3, 2, 1!
Baba! Pat! Uy, baba tayo!
2 points.
Time out. Wala pa, hindi. Ano na. Dito, yellow. Ito siya, yellow, sir.
Time out?
Time out, sir.
Time out na siya eh. Na-injured lang kasi.
Jury time out.
Yun nilagay ko na time out. Kaso naglalaglag ng time out na good player.
Eh, pwede mo naman yun.
3. Number 30. Traveling variation.
Bola! Buwa!
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot. Foul number 5, penalty. Third person, foul number 5, penalty. Third foul, number 5.
Dalawa. Paano man?
Eric! Eric!
Fourth quarter.
Kapit! 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 Kapit!
30 seconds.
Galaw! Galaw!
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul. Number 9, penalty.
Parang hindi, malaming. Foul number 12. Oh, foul.
Ilan yan? Dalawa?
Pasok.
Time remaining 8 seconds.
Dalawa. 10 na lang.
5 seconds.
Sayang.
Gusto na lang natin. Number 7. Play ko na ako yun.
Back to the ball game. Fourth quarter, possession arrow,
Sino sa
yellow.
kira? Sir, 15 na. Oh.
Sobra na.
18.
Ah, gabi.
Kota na.
Kota na, kota.
Points ba yan? Points?
Minutes.
Uy! Foul! Nice! Easy!
Foul number 27.
Goal! 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 Goal!
Second.
Easy! 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 Napet! Napet!
10-second shot clock.
1.
Shot clock violation.
Match 24 kami.
Yan na. Tiki.
Bouncy doon.
Foul number 23.
Second foul. foul.
Dapat plus 24 kami nun.
Para mga ano, bukurap-kurap. Sa
Basket, basket. Basket lang, basket.
23, that's sportsmanlike foul.
Sportsmanlike foul, number 23, yellow. And sportsmanlike foul, number 23.
Foul na lang. Ha?
Paul yung play.
Foul?
Richie, walang ano? Sandali, wala ba 3 minutes na upo? Walang 3 minutes na upo? Walang 3 minutes na upo? Wala ba? Hindi, kailangan lang yung rule. Hindi, na-clarify lang.
Hindi, sa FIFA rules, wala po kasing 3 minutes. Meron house rules nyo.
Sa inyo, sir, kung may house rules kayo.
House rules po nyo.
Sino si Ses? Kasi kayo
Sino pinawal ng
Bulok.
Substitution for number 23. 3 minutes cool off. 3 minutes cool off.
Oo, count sir. Count.
Top yan.
Ano yung dalawa? Dalawang free throw?
Sino? Sino? Yours is number 12. Okay, number 12. Tom, kayo si Nelson sa depensa. Joel, kayo si Charles, ha? Sa depensa.
Defensive rebound, 31. Oh, the box.
Kayo si Jay.
Inis kasi siya nasiko yung ulo niya.
10 shot clock. Steal. Foul number 42.
7 minutes makakabalik si AG, no? 7 minutes sa sarado.
Sino pinawal niya?
7 minutes yun, no?
6:27, 3 minutes. 9:27,
Sino pinawal niya?
6:27 pa. 3 minutes ko lang siya. 6 minutes, 27 pa. 42 ang kulang.
Final si 31.
6:27 kasi pwede bumalik. 6:27.
6:27. Uy! 6:27 siya babalik.
Foul number 13.
Dalawa na.
6:27.
Second foul number 13.
Yan na lang. Jose. Wala.
12 points.
Yan lang. Yata.
Ano mo yung nag-assist?
10 second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 27 2 points.
Down, 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 Chico!
Magaling yung Marte.
Sino?
Si Tel.
Hindi na, ano yata siya?
Tinulak lang. Pero hindi siya nasito.
10-second shot clock.
Hindi.
Steal.
Uy!
Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution.
So, yung... Mga...
10-second shot clock. 42 2 points.
Bilat.
10-second shot clock.
Napaka...
42 2 points.
Tawag pa yata.
10-second shot clock. On basket. Substitution.
Sino foul?
Oh!
First foul.
First ball number 2.
Ngayon ang pag-basket.
Eighty-three 2 points.
Lapit na.
Five second shot clock. 2 points. Timeout yellow.
E.
Ito po time out na ito, di ba? Kasi hindi yan. Ano yung huli na?
Sa kanya si Richie.
是不是还跟他打个电话，让他关灯呢？
Back to the ball game.
Pasok na sir. 7, 5-7. Pagkat siya. 12. Sulit na yan eh. Sulit na. Depensa. Uli!
Steal.
Uy!
Out of bounds.
Eh, dapat
Lapit.
10-second shot clock. 42 points. Traveling violation. Ten second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Ito. Eh.
10-second shot clock.
Nice pass.
27 points.
Closer.
10-second shot clock.
Lapit. Cut.
5-second shot clock. Traveling violation.
Nice defense.
Sampu lang yan.
Teardrop.
6 points.
Yan. Ay, patay. May lumber.
Foul number 27.
Ilan na?
Third personal foul number 27. Third foul.
Huli.
Traveling violation.
Hanapan ka. Ay,
6 points.
binisik na ni sir. Binisik na eh. Huli.
10-second shot clock.
Nice defense.
5-second shot clock. 32 points. Last 2 minutes.
Control!
Wala pa tayo mga.
10-second shot clock.
Teardrop.
6 points.
Basic. Basic.
Malakay, Rema. Mala Derek Ross, mga magandang ginawa.
Sub.
Foul number 9. Substitution. Warning for penalty.
Fourth foul na. Sino pinol niya? Sinay.
Fourth personal foul number 9. Warning for foul dot. Warning for penalty.
Save mo na lang. Okay, sir. Off out, 6.
Foul number 6 penalty.
First foul.
Penalty.
Dalawa.
Dalawa, sir. Pumasok. Pumasok. Fred. Sila. Basic rebound.
82 points. Still 1 minute.
Uy.
3. Foul. Number 42. Time out, yellow.
Free throw, wala.
Ito yan. Wala.
Charger na po.
Wala. iPhone to, no?
Wala naman ang charger.
35%. Wala, sir.
40 seconds.
Uy!
One over 12 penalty.
Second foul.
Hindi kaya yung ano? Yung charger na to.
Ano, sir, ito eh? Type C. Ito yung...
Pala lightning pala.
Lightning. Thirty seconds.
Ayun o! Anis!
5 2 points. Fifteen seconds. Foul. Number 27 penalty.
Fourth foul.
Fourth personal foul. Warning. 4 fouls out.
Ah.
5 seconds.